How to connect bass to Bandlab. Hi everyone! In this video, you'll learn how to connect your bass guitar to Bandlab whether you're using a mobile device or a desktop computer. Let's get started. Part 1. Connecting on mobile. First, let's look at how to connect your bass guitar to Bandlab on a mobile device. 1. Audio interface. You will need a mobile compatible audio interface, like iRig 2. 2. Connections. Plug your bass guitar into the interface using a standard instrument cable. Then, connect the interface to your phone. 3. Bandlab app. Open the Bandlab app and create a new project. 4. Track selection. Tap the More icon and select Guitar, Bass as your track type. 5. Input check. Play your bass to ensure the input levels are registering. And 6. Effects. Choose from Bandlab's built-in effects and amp simulations to enhance your sound. Remember to use headphones to prevent feedback and ensure better sound quality. Part 2. Connection on desktop. Now, let's move on connection to Bandlab on a desktop computer. 1. Audio interface. Use a USB audio interface like the Focusrite Scarlett Solo or Behringer UMC22. 2. Connections. Connect your bass guitar to the interface with the instrument cable and then plug in the interface into your computer via USB. 3. Bandlab website. Navigate to bandlab.com and log into your account. 4. New project. Click Create and select New project. 5. Track selection. Choose Guitar Bass as your track type. And then, Input settings. Click on the gear icon to access settings, and select your audio interface as the input device. Now, arm the track for recording and click the record button to start capturing your performance. And that's how you connect your bass guitar to Bandlab on both mobile and desktop platforms. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel for more tips like this. Thanks!